So friends, if you are using SBI Net Banking and if you want to know how to add a particular bank account in SBI Net Banking for fund transfer, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now I'm going to show you the complete process on my laptop, but you can follow the same process on your mobile as well if you don't have a PC or laptop. Now all you have to do is whichever device you're using, make sure to open any particular browser and search for SBI Net Banking. So let me show you how can you do that. So you can search for SBI Net Banking, select personal banking over here and select continue to login option. Enter your username, enter the password and complete the login process. Now once the login is complete, this is how the new interface will look like, and there are multiple options present on the homepage itself. Now in order to add beneficiary account or payee account, you just have to go to payment section and then select manage payee option. Now, if in case you have already added beneficiary or payee account, then on this page you can go down and you can check out the account. You can directly select pay option. Then again you can go down. You can enter the amount, you can select the mode of payment, you can also select the purpose of this payment and you can proceed to complete the transaction. But if you want to add pay, just simply go to payment, go to manage pay, and over here you get an option of add pay or manage pay. Select add pay option and select the bank. For example, like the account which you are adding is from ICICI Bank, then you have to select ICICI. If the account is of HDFC Bank, then select HDFC. But if the account is of SBI Bank, then you can select SBI as well. Now, for example, I'm going to add an account which is of HDFC Bank. So I have selected HDFC. Go down and enter the account number, confirm the account number, verify the account name, and we can also select the pay limit per transaction. So maximum is 25. Currently it is set to 5 lakhs. You can choose whichever option you want. You can set a nickname, that is also recommended. And once everything is done, make sure to select proceed option. Now as you all can see, I have entered the account details over here. If I go down, I have also set a nickname. Now let's tap on proceed option and go ahead. Now some information is given over here, basically like cooling period of 60 minutes is applicable, transfer limit of maximum 5 lakhs applicable for 4 days. So once the cooling period, you can start doing the transaction. Now to go ahead, all you have to do is select any one option over here. For now I'm going to select the OTP option and then select submit. Now you will receive an OTP on your registered number, so enter the OTP. Now I have entered the OTP. Let's tap on submit option and now you can see payee addition request is received and payee will be added after 60 minutes. Now where can you check out this new payee? Again, go to payments option, go to manage payee, and if you go down, you will be able to see the payee over here. Now currently you can see I'm not getting an option to pay it because a cooling period is going on. If I tap on this I option, payee activation is in progress. Fund transfer will be enabled for the payee once it is activated. So just wait for 60 minutes and after that you can start doing the transaction. So this is how simple it is to add a bank account in SBI Net Banking in order to do the fund transfer. So if you don't want to enter account details manually each and every time while doing the transaction, it is better to add beneficiary or payee account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.